Online reputation can affect your real-world reputation in so many ways. That's why it's important to maintain a positive online reputation. Hi, I'm Jarod, staff writer here at Nadernejad Media, and I'm here to share with you 5 tips to avoid building negative reputation online. Remember, the internet is not temporary, and anyone who knows what they're looking for can find anything they want about you that you've posted online. That's why it's important to treat your online reputation and your real-world reputation as if they were the same. And hopefully with these 5 tips, you'll be able to maintain your positive online reputation. Tip number 1, protect yourself. Today, scams come in all different shapes and sizes. That's why it's important to keep your accounts secure. So change passwords often. Enable multi-step verification. The last thing we want is for someone to gain access to your private material and start sharing or posting negative content on your account. Tip number 2, be mindful of what you post. Like I said before, the internet is not temporary, and sometimes you can make what seems like a harmless post and years later it could come back and shine a negative light on you. So be mindful. Take a step back and review your post before you permanently post it to the internet forever. Tip number 3, privacy is an option. A lot of social networks like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube have ways of restricting access to people that you don't want on your profile. Enabling the privacy setting will keep unwanted eyes from stalking and screenshotting your information that you would rather keep private. Tip number 4, Google yourself. In case you're worried that you might be building some negative reputation online, it's important to just take a second to Google yourself. Search up your name and see what top results come up whenever you type that in, because most likely those results will also be what employers find when they search you up. Tip number 5, and probably the most important, be respectful. It can be easy to forget that we're talking to real people, not just a screen whenever we're on the internet. And arguments happen all the time. I've been in them, you've been in them. In these scenarios, it's important to try and avoid insults and abusive behavior. If you're in a heated argument, take a second to step back and think about your response before typing it. It can make a world of difference. Anyway, those are 5 tips to keep a positive presence online. For more information on online reputation management, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss any updates. Or, if you are in need of support, you can check out our website using the link in the bio and book a free 30-minute consultation. Thank you for watching, and stay positive.